At first add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in pan. Then add thin sliced medium-sized potatoes and sauté well. Then add size chopped onions and sauté it. Add salt per taste. Remove the mixture in one bowl. Now add 3 eggs to the mixture. Again add salt per taste. Mix well. Mixture is ready now. In a pan add some oil and pour a mixture evenly. Spread half of the mixture all over the pan. Now add cheese on it. Now let's spread remaining mixture on top of the cheese spread. Reduce the gas flame and cover it for 1 to 2 minutes. Turn off the gas. Now place a plate on the pan and invert the pan and take out the omelette in that plate. Again drop omelette back in the pan. Switch on the gas on low flame and cover it for 1 to 2 minutes. Turn off the gas and remove the omelette in a plate. Spanish omelette is ready to serve now. Cheesy and delicious. Thank you. Happy cooking!